guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here from my Walmart midweek haul for you guys. So listen, I was gonna record this video yesterday, but I was like, oh, May 1st is right there. It's tomorrow. So I was like, let me just go ahead and just wait, so that way, you know, I can knock out my midweek, and then that will go towards my May bonus as well. And so that's basically what I did. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. And don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on so you never see my video. So as far as my May bonus, I told y'all it was going to be a hell of a surprise because I don't know what the hell I chose. But it turns out a lot of y'all didn't know what y'all chose either. And so we're all in the same little boat. Now, I need 95 offers for $35. So I probably got like the middle one, right? I would have loved the larger bonus. Y'all know that. I would have freaking loved the larger bonus. I don't see 95 offers being a big problem. I do have multiple redemptions still counting for me. And then as far as my midweek, I need 18 offers for $5. I can't stand when people come park right next to you. Like, you park right next to me. Like a gazillion parking spots, and you said I'm gonna park right next to her because she looks suspicious. Now I'm looking at you, you looking at me, you looking at me, I'm looking at you. It's just awkward. Like literally park right next to me, and it's not like no she's in the shade. Ain't no shade. It's all sun. I just lost my whole train of thought. But yeah, so I need to do 18 offers for my midweek. Now I did go to Food for Less yesterday, and I did the bubbly. I did the Snapple. There was 2 different ones you could get. And then I also did, what else? I did more of the Rockstars as well while I was there, since they're $1. I think that sale is actually going to roll through this week as well, since the new sale did start today. I'll probably go and check on my way home. But I've been having issues with the Rockstar offer, the aisles offer. Lately, I know a lot of you guys are saying y'all was having issues with it, but I've been getting the, unfortunately, we have no redemptions or rewards for you at this time or whatever. And y'all know I still got a gazillion left. And so I've text support. They've never gotten back to me. If you text help, you'll get an email address that you can actually, you can email them. And that's what I'm probably going to end up doing. So if you text help, it'll text you a email. It says it's FYD support at gotoaisles.com, and you can actually email them that way, which is what I'm probably going to end up doing. But I'm not going to do any of the Rockstar at all today. I think that promotion, they really didn't think about it, like think about it. Like, they probably sitting around the table at like Aisles headquarters like, well, John, well, Karen, that wasn't supposed to go like that. Like, who thought of that? Like, and it's supposed to go the whole entire year. And if we're having issues now going into the second month of this promotion, there's going to continue to be issues. And so I'm slowing down with my redemptions as far as Rockstar is concerned. Other than that, you guys, we're going to head over to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. So if you want to teach your girl out, you know what to do. Keep on watching. All right, guys. So this first deal is on the Kinder Bueno bars. It's on the 2-pack. They're priced at $146. I did this deal yesterday. The kicks for it on Shopkick went from $4.50 to like $7.50. And so I went ahead and I grabbed one of them, getting back 750 kicks, which is $3. Makes it $1.54 moneymaker. Now I went ahead and maxed the deal out and grabbed 3 of them. When I submitted my receipt, it did only give me back the $4.50 for each one. I had to put a ticket in for the extra 900 kicks, which I was awarded. Now, I did do this on two separate transactions. It did not reset for me, so I did have to return the second set. And so, yeah. All right, so this next deal is going to be on the Airhead Extremes. They're priced at $182. For this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll end up paying $364. But then you're going to be getting back 75 cents for 2 on Ibotta. And I'm also going to do 2 brand club surveys, one for 55 cents and one for 50 cents. Bringing these down to only 92 cents. Right, so this next is going to be on the shards, on the crackers. This is on the little gluten-free section right here. I'm going to be grabbing one of the, well, I'm going to grab these right here, priced at $5.48. This is a social nature offer. It makes it absolutely free. You could get either or. I don't know why I feel like these might taste better. Now there was an offer for the bread down here, which I did try. I tried the multigrain. I wasn't a fan at all. I was like, oh, give me my gluten, please. Give me my gluten. If you still have that offer for social nature,
then it's free. And then you also get back $125 on Ibotta. And I believe there's still an offer on Fetch Reward as well. And so, yeah. All right, so next up is the Club Minis. It's on the Parmesan garlic crackers. These are some of my favorite crackers, like the club crackers, generally speaking, but I've never tried this flavor before. Well, obviously, because it's new. All right, so we're gonna grab one, price at $3.96, getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's also a brand club survey for 55 cents as well, I'll do, making that only $141. All right, so next up is going to be a deal on the Lifesavers gummies. They're priced at $2.48. Going to be grabbing one of them, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta. There's also a offer on Fetch Reward for $1.30, bringing them down to 63 cents. I think I might have brand club surveys as well. I did see Sister Saving You Cents post this deal in their last video. And so, yeah, not a bad deal. I'm probably going to go ahead and just grab two of them. I know the limit on Fetch is 3, so I'm just going to go ahead and just grab. It's going to be on the Febreze. Now, this purple one, the lilac one, is actually a little cheaper. It's priced at $3.24. So you want to grab one of those, getting back $2.30 on Ibotta. Now, it's also for Walmart Cash as well. I went ahead and grabbed one for each. And then I also have a brand club survey as well for 40 cents, making that only 54 cents. I'm also going to be grabbing the warmers again as well. These are priced at $178, getting back $1 on Ibotta. And for this, I do have brand club surveys as well. But with the brand club survey for 50 cents and 45 cents, it'll make 128 cents and 133 cents. And so, for the Febreze deal, you can also grab the little one as well. But this time around, I decided not to grab the small ones. They're priced at $197. Getting back $2.30 on Ibotta makes it, I want to say like a, well, if you do the brand club survey too for 40 cents, it would make this a 73-cent moneymaker. And so, yeah. I heard this one's working for the Tide offer too on Ibotta. So it'd make that, what, 158? And then what else over here? The Old Spice body wash. Ours is priced at $2.12. So with $1 back on Ibotta, it would make that $112. All right, guys. So we're going to be doing this deal. I wasn't quite sure if I was going to do this deal, but when I scanned it, it's working for 3 different offers. I know yesterday it was working for 2 offers, but we got another Olay offer on there for $1. And so it's working for a $4 offer, a $1 offer, and a $2 offer. So I'm going to grab one priced at $12.97. I'll be getting back, what is that, $7 from Ibotta. And then there's also 500 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2. And then I'm going to do a brand club survey as well for 50 cents. So it'll make this only $3.47, which is not bad considering we started off at $13. All right, so this is going to be the very last deal. So if you made it to the last deal, big shout out to you. In the comments, I want to see some fruit. Yeah, I want to see a bunch of fruit in the comments if you made it to the last deal. So it's on the Poise. It popped up on Ibotta as well as the sister apps across the board again. So we're going to grab 2 of the 30 count right here, priced at $5.97. Now keep your eyes peeled for these pillies, like literally, like taped to them. All right, now this offer on Ibotta does exclude the coupon, plus I'm gonna use Shopmium and Swagbucks too, so I'm not even gonna bother with a coupon. Total for 2 is gonna come to $11.94. You'll get back $2 for each on Ibotta. There's also 5 on Shopmium and 5 on Swagbucks as well, making it a $2.06 moneymaker. Now really quick, the offer on Shopmium does include the 8 count, so if you can find them at Dollar Tree, I know only some locations carry them, then you'll grab 2 at $2.50 and get back 5, making it a $2.50 moneymaker. So I'll probably see if I can find some of those as well and submit that receipt to Alexa. So other than that, I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, guys. So here is my complete haul for you guys for today. This worked out pretty good. I got Walmart, Dollar Tree, and Food for Less. So at Food for Less, I did the Snapple again. Same as my last video. The Sun one, well, they're all $1.79, getting back $1 for the Sun. And then the other flavors, you're getting back 50 cents. But you also get a 25-cent bonus as well. And so that's why I only grabbed one of those. I did the Bubbly Burst again as well. $1 each. You'll pay 2, get back $1 for buying 2 on Ibotta, 50 cents on Fetch Reward. I only had 1 redemption left. I'm not a big fan of the bubbly burst. Are you guys? Like I really like the sparkling ice more than that one. I think sparkling ice kind of gives me the feel that this is soda, but it's not really soda type of feel. And then what else did I get? And then I also did the Rockstar again as well. I didn't go back to see if the sale's still going through, but I checked the app and they are still $1. And I did the deal 4 times at thank you.
No problem.
I had to order some more. I ordered me some more weight gloves. But listen, using my Amazon, using my Alexa, you know, and it's funny, off topic real quick, I will actually like if I don't have enough gift cards, I'll go and I'll do deals and redeem offers and then use that to buy something. Because I would have bought the gloves anyways for 15 bucks, but if I can get stuff, deals, and then get the gloves too, you know what I mean? Do any of y'all do that? I did the deal 4 times at Food for Less, and I did it twice at Walmart. And then I went to Dollar Tree, because as y'all know, it's a new month, so the refresh reset. I went ahead and just maxed it out and grabbed 4 on 3 separate receipts. I did My Points, Swagbucks, and Inbox dollars. I'll probably do it later this week, but basically it makes them all free. Now, it does have to be the fresh linen, but I've gotten all of the flavors or the scents and they've worked because the receipt doesn't specifically say the scent, and so I think that's why it actually goes through. So even though I got this one, the Cool Breeze, it still went through on that. And that was Dollar Tree. And then I also found the Poise up there. So that was a $2.50 moneymaker. That was on Alexa when it went through pretty fast. I was surprised because the receipt wasn't like the greatest, but that went through pretty fast. And then I think that was basically it. Yep, that was basically it. And so everything that you see here retails $101.35. Aisles is $30, and the receipt finally went through, you guys. Ibotta is $29.80. Shopkick is $11.08. Swagbucks is $10. Social Nature is $5.48. Shopmium, Alexa, My Points, Inbox is $5. Fetchyware was $3.15, Brand Club was $3, and Walmart Rewards was $2.30. So you walk away with a total of $114.81 back in rebates. So it makes everything that you see here free plus $13.46, which is awesome. My tax was $4.77, so even after tax, we still make $8.69. And so this is an awesome little haul for the first of the month, which is great. Jojo, what's your emoji before you go upstairs? Real quick. Wait, come here. Say it again. Oh, he's whispering today. A butterfly and a caterpillar. I don't know if there's a caterpillar. I know there's probably a butterfly.
Or you could use a worm.
Or a worm. Is there a worm?
I think there's a worm. I don't know.
Okay. A bunch of insects today. A butterfly, a caterpillar, or a worm?
Yeah.
I'm sure there's a butterfly. I don't know about a worm or a caterpillar. But if you got to the end of the video, thank you guys so much. We love to see some bugs from my bug. And I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.